Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unbox this computer case. It's an MSI Forge M100R. So MSI Forge M100R. That's from MSI. This is a computer case. So this is the box as you can see it. This is the box. This is the item. So we are going to unbox this now. Voila, we put it here. And here, not too deep. Voila, you can open it like that. Voila, as you can see it, it opens. And then you see the PC case here. It's like that. Voila. We have here the PC case. Voila. This is the case. Voila, as you can see, this is the PC case. It has, I think, two USB ports 2.0 and one USB port 3.0. Power button, reset button. This button is for the RGB lighting. And then here you have the magnetic holder for the, for the case. And then here, voila. Here you see everything. This is tempered glass. Here you have the for the, how do you call it, the power supply unit, some coolers, yeah, a little bit of everything you see. Here you can open the case. This is only an unboxing video, but I'm going to show you the inside also. So this is a screw. This is a screw. Voila. Then you see here the RGB system. So all RGB lights are connected to that. This is connected to a button here on the top. And then yeah, you can arrange the light with it. So this is the manuals. And then I also want to tell you that don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because we are giving away nice prizes to subscribers of our channel. You only have to subscribe, and when you win something you will get notified. So please subscribe, and if you like this video also don't forget to like it. So here you see it. The other side. Voila. So there are three colors here in it, three with RGB, and here also one. And then we have the power supply unit here, and this is, I think, some cables for the motherboard. So yeah, this is the case as you see it. And here you can put the motherboard onto. So, and I think this is for the hard disk, and then here you have another thing for the hard disk. That's here on the bottom. You can open that and you can put hard disk in it. So we are going to use the case very quickly. We are going to install the motherboard in it and other stuff like that. So yeah, voila. So here you see it. Okay, bye bye.